how to reset group link on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to reset group link on WhatsApp. First then go to WhatsApp and here you will find gaming. Just click on it and then click in stop. Just select any group you want and click in stop here and scroll down until you find this one, invite. This one here, click on it and then here you will find the reset link. Click on it and click reset, and as you see group link have been resetted. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.